Hi, Huyen. Thanks
Chris.
coming online and sharing your lesson learned with everybody on the Talk. I appreciate that. Been almost a year working with you in a very stressful, a stressful time and a stressful project. And you have done a lot of great things. So it would be interesting to hear your thoughts on how you deliver and achieve all the things that you achieved in the past 12 months. Take
Yeah.
it on.
Thank you for introducing me. And this is my great pleasure to being here. So, as you say, it is what I learned in the past like 8 months working with you. And this is from my perspective. So, I hope that from this view, with some ideas, you can reflect about what your team, for the people who are seeing this video, you can like reflect what is your team is doing, and this thing here can apply to your team to engage your team member. So let's get started. Okay, so I have a slide here. Can I start sharing? Okay, okay. So
Yeah, take it on.
yeah. So let's start with myself first a little bit. So I'm start like work for a consulting company. It is a human resources. They will consult on human resources strategy. Used to build like learning platform, e-learning for many companies, but um, after like working at this place for 3 years, I want to join a real corporations, with a tech company now. So it is here where I think about why I want to do something to make the people in like dynamic team, fast growing team to be more engaged. So this is a some like tactics here. Um, like I have read a research made by Credit Suisse. It is a finance institute in Sweden, and it say that 1% increase in retentions can save like 75 to 100 million a year. And there is a fact that 85 employers think that their people leave for more money, but actually it is just 12% of employees actually do leave for more money. So it's the reason why I want to make the real activities on a corporate, to work with many tech guys to for some engagement activities. So it is what we will really do in the last 8 months. It start from May this year. So our team size increased 250% in just 4 months. It is just like 100 people in May, and now we have more than 200 to 300 people now. Uh, so we also have a very diversity team with the mix of 40% outsourced companies start from outsourced companies, and they're a mix of international and Vietnamese staffs. Why is diversity here is because like not many tech guy in Vietnam are familiar with working with international member from other country, and like manager, most of manager at tech company now are international from like foreigner from many countries. We also have a lot of talents when we like attracting people to join our team. We have a lot of talents. So I used to have some talk with the guys working here, and they used to be like team leader in other project, but right now they are working here as a senior developer. So there was a lot of like many problems that we faced with, but I list some here, and I grouping it. The first is onboarding new member, how to provide them device and tool that some people used to say that it's quite source and it's hard to get connection to the platform they want. And second thing is that they don't have enough time for training others, like the people like already exiting in the team. don't have enough time to welcome new member and train them and like have them to catch up with what the project is doing. So collaborations are the same problem. Many are too busy and don't have time to change and to support other team member, and they cannot be painted, especially in the last few months where when we like go live every week, right? So they don't. Sometimes they cannot be painted, right? So next, is being listened and recognized. As I talked in the earlier slide, many people here they used to be like a team leader and they expect a lot that they can contribute and make something like significant to the project and make change. So they don't know how to contribute to the team, how to like contribute, how to, and they also meet the problem that there were a lot of reporting levels that they don't know how to like communicate, how to like raise their voice and idea to leaders, and to yep. Okay, so that goes with what we do before and on the way that we making employee engagement. So the first thing is we create strong member connections. Actually, when I joined the project, I think that the team is quite new. There are at that time too many people here know well about the project strategies, know how to work with each other. But there's a like affect that the people who are existing, the key member, will decide who next will join the team. They will join the process of recruiting, training, and interacting with new members every day. So they will shape the way that the other, how they will join a team with personalities, with capabilities that the new staff will have. And also, this key member will make impact on how other team member will work and behave. So these key member also understand in their own way about the product strategies, visions, and purpose. That is the first point. If we don't have like strong key member connections or wrong people at the start, we will get more and more wrong people that is not matched with the team. Okay, so when we like have to recruit and onboard like more than 100 people in the last 2 months. It's only in July and August we got like more than 100 people. So we have create many like rules and small things to make it more easier and faster for stakeholders to join this process. The first is recruiting. So we like have some rule like interview only less than 30 minutes. Secondly, we fix 1 hour every day for interviews, and for some like interviewers, in some day where they are like forgot that they have some like CV to review, we automatically uh, like move it to next level of the interview. And before onboarding, especially for outsourcing staff, the people are required to learn some online course and read some document materials. So to make sure that they can catch up as fast as possible, they can with the team. The first day at office, this is the first impressions for the new start joining the team. So it is effect that I cannot like support all the team member, all the new like new staff. So I get help from one of my intern, and she is so supportive, and she always listens to what like new member needs, support them, introduce them to the team. We also create some documents and slides that can guide the new member to know some like rules and some problem that they will meet when they join the team, and how can they like uh, interact with this in the office. And 7 day after onboarding, we have some team leader that usually have code review with her whole team. to evaluate how the code is how did the new member do their own job. And 2 months after onboarding, we have survey 300 city. We have self evaluation form so that our team member, the first is they can speak out what they feel, what is their stock, what their expectations with when joining the team. They also read a lot. We have a constant page. This place is already created by Chris and um, some other like in employee engagement, like college as tech combine before I joining, and they like they are provide this material, this like this will help them a lot to understand more about the core value of the team and the know-hows and what they can like solve if they meet some problem, and also to better some of their skill set to adapt with the environment here. Hey, I share this side. Is this okay? Okay, so as you can see here, we start with the team purpose, and we have some common goals for the team. We have some values, and inside this link, you can accept this, see the explanations, definition, and the do and don't. It's all also translate to Vietnamese so that all team member, even there are some tech guy that not familiar with English, but have like good code skill, they can understand fully this content. We have current event for the team. We also have know-hows and role and responsibility so that team member can understand other member what they are doing in the project. So next, we also create some gamifications. It is for Chris already shared this content on his LinkedIn. If you want to have like more detail about what it is and what we did with this, how gamifications can make change to the team, you can read the articles. So this is my experience. This is my lesson learned that when doing gamifications is have to be like making the other team member feel fun. They feel engaged with the games, and this is like I think this is a thing that we can get by doing gamifications is that we can celebrate some quick wins and small wins for team member to motivate them, and it's a quick way to like recognize what they contribute, what they have improved, um, and it is also to drive our team member to have good working routines or skill set. For example, here on the right side, you can see we have some level from easy to get to advanced to rare. So here we will have some skill set and some platform that we want our team member to master of this skill and to drive them to like practices every day and to achieve the push. What let's do here is patch can change continuously and have to go with the strategies. For example, we are very welcome when some leaders rate that they want to change or add some patches. So is it suitable for the team, suitable with the project speed? Yep. Okay, it is gamifications, and we also have some recognition programs that you have already seen in the last slide, like Game Changer of the Month, Star of the Month. So when we're doing this event, is an idea that we make it more like more people to know about uh, the achievement of the team. Like we have uh, we have include these activities in all hands meeting to let our team member to talk about what did they do and what motivate them to achieve and to be like give the award of the game changer of the month. So we also have in COVID time we have drink live with leaders for the winner members who contribute to the team and nominated. We also have some T-shirt for member of the best squad, and for being listened, we have like for more questions, and this question can send directly to leader. We have ask leader. We have hackathon. Is this more size of a small model hackathon, so that team member can join, because in the last few months we are very very busy. So this activity just lasts for 2 days. Yep. So we okay. So it is some like activities for engagement that we already have in the last few months.
Do you
So
have more
yeah,
slides, or you finish with your slides?
yeah, I think I can finish here in this code, because you like the pupil master in this area and you are part of the team always drive us to engage with each other more.
So if you, so I, okay, just a couple of questions, right? If you want to start over, let's say we go back with time machine, what are the things that you think we should have done better?
I think that when we're doing this kind of activities and in this journey of fast growing team, we always like talk to each other to feedback and like improve it whenever we can. So for example, at the parents, when we start like having more and more team member, at that time we used to like some member in our team is not really connected to each other. Their relationship is not good. They have some like they have some information that is not correct to understand about the team and the thing as well. So at the time we start thinking about how to make the member engage with each other. It is very important. So and the second thing, I think that our team member it is a fact that most of the tech leaders in our team is start from like technical expertise. So I say start with like technical expertise. Sometimes they don't have like enough skill set to manage people and to improve their team member, to make their team member feel recognized. So if it is a second thing that I want to go back and have the team to improve, is to um, give like have some course or some like some sharing from leaders to have them to manage their team better, right? So I used to have a practice with one of my our test list. She used to like a technical. She doesn't like be recognized by her own team, because they start with the same level with them and then they get promoted. And I joined some of her meetings, and some of her team member didn't listen to her. And after that I tried to join some, and after each meeting we talk together in the tech list. So we share what can help her to improve her team better, to make them listen to her, right? Sometimes she try more to support their team member to success, not to do all the job out herself. This is one thing that some technical guys like choose when they manage the team. If they like they can do it, I will do it, and I will show you that I can do it. But they are not win-win together, and they just like keep the two people far from each other. They yep. So it is you can success yourself. So I think things are better now when she know more about how to manage her team member. Yep. So it is the second thing. It is to train. It is to coach the technical lead to to technical leaders to have more experience, has more like on how them can improve their management skill to manage their people and observe with them through the process to support them. Yep. And this is one more thing that I think I should myself do better. Is this for employee engagement activities? It has to like repeat continuously, like month by month, weeks by weeks. And at the start, some member will have some like incorrect awareness about it. They think that engagement is only some activities that just do for fun. But if we repeated it and they can see the result, they can involve, they can join more in the activity. And yep.
Which areas do you think we failed, and but it was good failure that we should try more?
I think that the area that is the time we should think about this is we have more and more team member, um, and it is all like more than half of the team member of each small team in the project are new member. So is it? I think it is time to think about effective like the performance of the team, like the do we have the good way to control their effective workload every day. Yep. I think that you used to have some page to calculate the velocity that we achieve when we have more and more people. And it is like I heard from some of the team member that they think that our manage to make the team work more effectively can increase. This is the first error that I think right now we should.
Interesting. Yeah. Uh, why are you so interested in employee engagement?
The first thing is because of myself. I like making other people to feel happy when they are working. And I used to see like there are some norm that is this is the norm that kind of some team member they don't fully understand about the product strategies, and it's and the vision also is very important. They restrict themselves, they like scared to speak out. Sometimes they see like something that not good for the project, but they ignore it. They shy that the leaders in they know everything about this, and it is not good for them when speak out something. So I really want to make the strategies and the visions of every team when they're doing this kind of like example for it. We try to make the best product for our customer, but sometimes our team member they not understand fully about this the product, the strategy of the product. They not understand fully about what leaders are expecting from them, and they behave in the wrong way. And this is the drive that make me to do the engagement activities.
I see. So, because I heard a lot of time people are saying, "Oh, these employee engagements are very expensive. It needs a lot of budget." What is your thinking about that?
Yes, when I start joining this team, there are like I think that I have great support from leaders to doing these activities. Engagement for me, employee engagement is not always to need to have like big budget for it. We can start with the activities, the way that we work with each other every day. Uh, I don't think that the activities for engagement have to be like big team building events. It don't have to be like a, an event that spend a lot of money to give people some awards on what they did. For me, it is daily activities, like daily routine that we create with each other. For example, you have some like kind of in the daily work where our team member communicate with each other. We repeat about our core value, like do and don't. like in these communications. So it is kind of employee engagement, because when we drive our people to like respect each other, listen to each other, is it one of the way to reinforce our core value in the daily activities. And we also have some small thing that will make our team member to feel more recognize and understand more about the visions, about the what the leader are expecting from them, what is their achievement, and this is helps to make them more engaged to the project that they are working for.
All right, well, what's next? What is the next thing that you're trying to do as part of employee engagement activities?
Right now I want to like repeat more and more what I do in the last few months is the first thing. The things that we try to do, we have one or two times did it, so we repeat it. And another thing is, I think employee engagement have to go with the business things, the business updates. For example, we update for our team member um, about the like the product of other competitor in the market, and make them like uh, speak more. Update is for them doing more TikToks. And I think it is important engagement. The first thing is it is go with business updates like project status. And second thing is I think that the activities they have to have a more like big picture, and they connect, and we connect this activity together, grouping it and see the result and the impact of each activity to our team member, to know what activities is suitable for our team right now, and what should we do better in the next few months to make them more engaged, to make them perform better.
How does a CTO like myself or any other CTO, what is the CTO's role in this employee engagement? What would you expect from a CTO?
What I expect from CTO is, I think the first thing is, I hope that the CTO should be somewhat like you. Some of it is the first thing I think is they have to know the importance of employee engagement, right? So they support it. And why they support it is this come from my first line in this what we talk about is this, how like retentions, employee retention impact on employee engagement. So the second thing is they have a clear vision, core value, and they what behavior that they expect to see from our team member. And after like have a clear vision and like core value like this, we can start to execute on what activity should we do with our team member. And I think that is this two case for the company that just started. They should focus on to find the correct people to match with their core value. For some company, like a large corporates, they may have like many like they used to have core values, but if they don't like practice this with their team, make it practice with their team member every day, and make it visualize in daily activities. If they don't do it, it's just core value that show in the website or something like this. It's not what we actually do in employee engagement.
All right. Thank you so much, Huyen, for joining us on your Sunday. I know you're coming back from a long trip. I appreciate that you make it on time and share everything with us and prepare slides. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you for giving me the chance to sharing.
No worries. It's been a pleasure working with you. I'm glad to see that you're passionate about employee engagement. And personally, I hope to see more employee engagement activities and more discipline around keeping it up to date and keeping everybody stick to it, especially the team charter. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Have a good Sunday.
Have a good summer. Bye.